The beauty of making your own silly putty is that it's super easy to make and much cheaper than buying pre-made from the store. Grab the kids and follow along to make your own. You need 6 teaspoons of white glue, a half a teaspoon of Epsom salt, food coloring or gel colors, a bowl, and a spoon. Put a half a teaspoon of water into a cup. Pour the Epsom salts into the water and mix it together until all or most of the salt is dissolved. Add the glue to the bowl. Pour the salt water into the glue and mix together. Add a few drops of food coloring. Make sure to start with a small amount and add a little at a time. Continue to mix. Use your fingers to mold the putty. Make sure your kids play with their silly putty on wax paper to keep it from sticking. You can store it in a plastic bag so it does not dry out. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.